from flag, we form a parallel channel. So yung flag natin, we hit a high of 97,900, close to 98,000 yung flag natin. And then we form a parallel channel. Ibig sabihin po, pataas ng pataas yung support, pataas ng pataas din yung resistance niya. Parallel channel usually breaks to the downside. Yung mga parallel channels po na to. The key is how are you going to play it? Kasi kung hindi pa yan bumabasag, most likely, dire-diretso pa yan ng akyat. Kasi nga, upward parallel no? Yun nga lang, it looks like parang gusto niya nang bumasag. Yan na po yung candle natin today. Nag-close tayo below the parallel channel. Yesterday, yung candle po natin na to. And now, eto confirmation kung babasagin talaga natin. If we break this parallel channel, ang maganda kay Toy Blitz kasi marami naman na tayong support na makikita. Using our TIPI system, yung blue line, daily time frame can be your support. This is around mga 91.8 to 92,000 area. Ang pinakamatinding support po is itong SR flip area. This is around 88.5 to 90,000. Kasama na po yung yellow line ni TIPI. So itong area na to, yung previous resistance natin will be turned into support kung mag-continue po yung breakdown itong parallel channel. Here siya. There's a likelihood, okay na si Bitcoin, kung sakali man kung magko-confirm tayo today. Meaning to say, if we close long red, we confirm yung breakdown itong parallel channel, may mga support ka. Hindi ka kakabahan. Yun ang kagandahan pag naiintindihan mo yung chart Daanan muna natin itong mga supports. Basagin muna natin itong SR flip area para masabi natin, sige, there's a possibility na babalik. Hindi mo siya ma-judge na, diba, diretso na yan dito. Basagin niya muna. Kasi pwede pong mag-conso yan from in between this area. This is from 88 probably to 94. Pwede dyan. Hanggang dito kung hindi na natin aabutin yung 100K. Ngayon, ang bullish scenario dito, kapag peke ito, again, hindi pa nga confirm. Pag bumalik tayo sa loob ng parallel channel, look at this. Ito yung bullish scenario. If we extend the parallel channel, we're going to hit most likely 100K based on the parallel channel by second week of May. May 12, May 13, May 14. Okay? Ito po, magiging resistance ulit yan yung 100K area. Psychological resistance. From there, let's see kung babasag na tayo pababa. So, from here, pag umakyat po yan, mamaya, halimbawa, kaya i-close to sa loob ng channel. Let's say, close ka na 95. It will be bullish. We might see 98 and then correct back again and then we'll see 100 na. Most likely mga second week of May, we'll see 100. From 100, dun tayo magkakaalaman. Okay, maraming trades po kasi dyan sa area na yan Dami ng trades yan. So pwedeng dito ka mag-conso. Siyempre gusto natin dito mag-conso. Yeah, kasi kamukha po nito. Kamukha po niya. Alright, so it's either you conso here sa taas or dito sa baba sa area po na to.